geobyte.
Look at the another question. It is asked like this. Consider two physical quantities A and B, A and B related to each other as E equal to E equal to B minus x square dividing by 80, where E, x and T have the dimensions of energy. So E dimension, energy dimension, x is in length dimension and T is in time dimension. The dimensions of AB, you are asked to decide the dimensions of product of A and B. Okay. For that, you need to decide the dimensional formula for A and B separately. Now, look at the given relation. Look at the relation. Here, B minus x square. The B dimension must be equal to x square dimension. X is the length dimension. X is the length, right? Length dimension. Therefore, the dimension of the B is equal to dimension of the x square length L power 2. So the dimensional formula for B is L power 2. Now let us decide for the A. You know, here it is given E dimensional formula equal to x square dimensional formula dividing by A dimensional formula and T dimensional formula. Okay. From this I can write that the dimensional formula for A equal to x square dividing by the E is the energy, T is the time. Let me write the dimensional formula for all quantities. L power 2 dividing by E, energy dimensional formula, mL square T power minus 2 T. So this is the dimensional formula. Now you simplify it. Now you simplify it. M power minus 1, L power 0, and no, it is T power plus 1. That is the A dimensional formula. But you need to decide the dimensional formula for product of A and B. A dimensional formula M inverse L power 0 T power 1 multiplied by B L square L power 2, not L square, L power 2. It is M power minus 1 L power 2 L power 2 and the T power 1 T power 1. They are the dimensional formula for the product of AB. M power minus 1, M power minus 1. Look at the option B. L power 2, T power 1. Option B is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? Yes. Similarly, look at the next question. It is asked like this. A force is represented by F equal to AX square plus BT power 1 by 2, where X is the distance, T is the time. The dimensions of B square by A, you are asked to decide the dimensional formula for the B square by A. B square by A dimensional formula is how much? For that again, we need to decide the dimensional formula for A and B separately. You know, f equal to ax square plus bt power 1 by 2 means ax square dimensional formula must be equal to force dimensional formula. Okay. Similarly, I can say that I can say that bt power I can say that bt power 1 by 2 dimensional formula must be equal to force dimensional formula. Okay. Now here a dimensional formula, x is the distance, L power 2, force dimensional formula m L p power minus 2. Now you simplify it. A dimensional formula is equal to m L power minus 1. After simplification, I am writing p power minus 2. That is the dimensional formula for A. Similarly for B dimensional formula into t power 1 by 2 is equal to force dimensional formula m L t power minus 2 m L t power minus 2. Now you simplify it. B dimensional formula equal to m L t power minus 2 minus 1 by 2. Minus 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. M L t power minus 5 by 2. Listen carefully. That is the B dimensional formula. But you want for B square by B square by A dimensional formula. This is the B value. B square m power 2 L power 2. This is becoming t power minus 5 dividing by A. This is the A dimensional formula. M L power minus 1 t power minus 2. Simplify this part for getting the answer. It gives m power 1 L power 3 t power minus 3. So this is the dimensional formula for b square by a. Look at the option A. M, here it is m L power 3 t power minus 3. Option A itself is absolutely correct. Are you following clearly? Yes.
Geobyte.